Alright, what's good, y'all? Hope you enjoyed that Scrapyard Run video. So, over here, if you were familiar with my videos, you've seen that drill press, that little tiny bench grinder, was on that metal thing sitting right out there, that thing. And on top of that piece of plywood. So, this week at my job, I got an offer I couldn't refuse on this big giant drill press. I got it for a really good deal. It works really well and it sounds really good. There's the post, here's the table, and the stand. So I would like to get this cleaned up and painted up, and not really restored, but what's the word? Getting into service, whatever we call that. Refurbished. Anyway, just a little paint and stuff, and cleaning it up a little bit with the wire wheel. That would really be about it. Like I said, there's the post. But I can't do that because I have this entire, copper, and you guys have seen this. There's the cameras again. I'm giving one away, and then a couple more of these speakers, but then my dude I work with, he said he's good with cameras, so I don't really think he's good with cameras. I mean, he's good with cameras, he's amazing, hooking them up, and, he's good with electronics. But him being good with cameras, I think he wants more cameras, but he's got a lack of space to put these cameras, so therefore he doesn't need any more cameras. That's what I mean by him being good with cameras. But anyway, we're going to get this drill press set up, and it's going to live here in this area. So I'm going to move these my penetrators and whatnot, and my hornet killer and bug spray. And when you're a scrapper, you guys, you got to have a backup of bug spray. And where's mine is in my truck. Well, I mean, hornet spray works just as well. You want to make sure you're in your shop or whatever, and you crack open an air conditioner and things don't come flying out of them, or a microwave or something. You know what I mean? Bed bugs, cockroaches. It's just a preliminary. This has never happened in my shop. I mean, thank God, and I knock on wood, but it never hurts to have a little bug spray in your workshop and in your vehicle if you're going out street scrapping. That's just I'm rambling on kind of thing now. But I hope you enjoy this quick setup video, and yeah, man. This thing is so cool. What do you guys hear this thing run? I hope y'all can see that. Kind of where we're going to go with it. I feel like I want to put this piece of wood on the ground, though, and then set it on that. For whatever reason. I don't know why, but I just feel like I want to. I feel it'll give it extra, because that cement floor might slide around with the vibration. That might help a little bit. Maybe later on down the road I can get one of these pads that's right here. You know what I mean? Maybe set it on that or something. But yeah. I guess I can always bolt it down. So I'm going to get these off of here. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, y'all, we're about to set the post here, so to speak. This thing's heavy. As y'all can see, I got the pole. Let me fix my hat so I don't look a doofus. Actually, that doesn't look much better. But anyway, yeah, I got the post in, set screwed it, sprayed it with a little penetrator. My phone, I think I shut it off when I put it in the cradle because it's right near the off switch. So I think that's what happened. I do apologize. I've been having technical difficulties all day. I hope that my phone's not dying and I can't film video on it anymore, because it's going to suck because I don't know how to get CC Scraps channel on my laptop, on my other phone. So I'm we might be making two. I don't know what we're gonna do. Anyway, let's just hope that doesn't happen. That's worst case scenario. So right there. Now we're gonna put the table on it, which isn't gonna be too difficult. Bang! There's a little table. I can tighten it, keep it from spinning. There we go. This cranks it up and down. It's going to need a little grease. All in all, it's going to be all right. Oh, I got to loosen this. I'm sorry. Yes, you loosen it. And then, there we go. Then the table goes down. And up and down. And then you tighten it back up. You see what I'm doing here? Probably not. There's a little set screw or a latch in here and threaded, and that tightens the table up and down, keeps it from moving. And then then once that's loose, you crank it up and down whatever height you want it. So now we're going to set up the motor part, and then we're going to hear it, and then life's going to be fun. Alright, so here we go. This is the part that's going to be very heavy. Actually, it's not that bad. I just don't want to drop it. Okay, it's on there. Little penetrator. Probably should have did that before. Set screws are loose. So why are you being mean to me? Definitely. Right. I'm gonna have to take it off again here. Hold on, I'm gonna need both my stuff here. Ooh, you guys fell too. Look at that. Alright, I gotta fire this director, man. Alright, I got it on there. So here's, I'm just tighten these set screws so it doesn't move around on us. You don't want them too tight, but you don't want them too loose either. Okay, I'd say that's sufficient. All right, you want to hear it? I do. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. How about that? No? I like that. Alright, let's plug her on in and see what we got going on here. It's going to be fun, you guys. Got a digital RPM readout. And then on the top cover, right here, you know, you can switch the belts. Switch out the switch the RPMs. Yeah, right? It's so quiet. Put the handles on it. See me putting the handles on it? I'm gonna look like a fool. No, these are the right ones, and this one was, whoops. Whoops. Whoa. Did y'all see me sit on that piece of cribbage? Probably not. Oh, here we go, that's why. I was trying to set them the wrong way. Okay, so you're good there. You are good. Hold this up the right one. You guys see me or am I blocking? I'm blocking it. What a jerk, CC Scrap. Alright. Okay, there's that one. See me. Alright, so tighten these up here. One more, and I'll show you in a minute. I got all the handles on it. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. I always wanted a full-size drill press, and now I got one. That's what's up. Nothing a little polish, some cleaner, a little bit of degreaser on here, a little bit of a wire wheel. She'll be in tip-top shape in no time. This is a nice little find, man. I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks, Aaron. What a great deal. All right, man. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little setup of my new to me Clarke Metalworker full-size drill press. I can't remember the inches of these, what these are. It's going to say it on this badging though. Well, can you guys read that? I can't remember. I'm going to have to look back on it and put a note in this stuff here, or in the you know what I mean. Maybe a little text, like I like to write. See you guys. Anyway, enjoy your weekend. Whoa, CC Scrapped. Peace. Thank you for watching.